everybody, welcome back to Sid's Club. This week we have been talking all about national parks. And I don't know about you, but I know for me and my family, we like to go camping at different national parks. So I thought it would be a lot of fun to create something that you could do at home and then take along with you, maybe when you go for a walk outside at your house. If you live in a city, maybe you have a favorite park that you like to visit, or maybe you and your family like to visit national parks as well. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a piece of cardboard, a marker, and something to cut out your picture. Now, I chose a chameleon for my picture because, as you know, chameleons like to change color and they camouflage depending on their surroundings. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw a picture, chameleon. It could be a butterfly, it could be an insect, it could be a ladybug, it could be somebody's face. Maybe you want to draw your mom or your dad or your brother or your sister. But what you're going to do is you're going to cut out the shape of the chameleon, but you want to keep the outside border of the cardboard intact. So you just want to cut out the inside of it. So a box cutter, something like that's going to work best. So you might want to grab a parent or an adult to help you with that part. Go ahead and draw your picture, and then we're going to start cutting it out. Okay, after you have it all cut out, what I did is I went back through with my marker and I just kind of outlined it again, just to define the outline of my chameleon. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy out in nature and we're going to see how many different colors we can make him. I hope that you guys will all give this a try. And if you do, please send us your pictures. We'd love to see what picture you chose to cut out, and we'd love to see the different colors that you were able to create out of it out in nature. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.